Good day, Brent from CCPR here, and this is a tutorial on how to set your printer to auto print or set your computer to auto print print weekly. You could either do it two ways. You could either manually do your prints yourself or do an auto print, right? So right now I have one for Windows 8, one for Windows 7, and I'm going to show you how to do it on Windows 10. So the reason I'm doing this is because a lot of customers have been coming and saying that their cartridges are full but they're not printing. You will see on the display that ink is full but it's still showing blank sheets. The reason for that is your cartridges are drying up, and if you don't do prints occasionally with your cartridges, especially in inkjet cartridges, the smaller machines, it will dry up. This printer has a print head. It will dry up eventually if you don't do prints with it. Yes, it's advisable that you always keep your printer on. The printer will keep it in check and make sure that the ink doesn't dry up. So I have to speed up the explanation for now because in a minute I have a print coming through for this printer. So I have to connect the printer USB, and we will be waiting for 1010. Oops. For it to pick up the USB. So at 1010 this printer will print, right? I have set up a script and this print will print at 1010, right? So this will print black as well as all the colors, so that it will make sure that your color cartridge and your black cartridge is fully used, and weekly it will set. This task scheduler here is ready to print at 10:10 every Wednesday, which is today, right? A sheet from this printer. I will show you the steps that I will take to do this, but I want this to go through first. 10:10 has reached. Let's see if it will start. Hopefully it starts. It would not do it immediately. It will take a little time before the script kicks in. So you see, it came up on the screen there just now, and it's going to print. Time is 10:10, so it'll take 10:10 and some seconds to do the print. So it's going to print here right now. Let's see. Right. So it'll print it landscape so that it would not use up a lot of your ink. You just want to get black and your colors to print, and it should be doing it every Wednesday. Well, since I set it up this way, every Wednesday it will print this at 10:10. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to show you how the Windows 7 will just, if you don't have, because you have to have your computer on at this specific time, so you have to set it at a certain time so that it will print, so that you know when your computer on and your printer on at the same time, it will print and it would not skip a week. If you want to do it at a closer every day, which it doesn't really recommend it, really do that, you'll waste out your ink. You could do that. I'm going to do it that, I'm going to put it, do a print from the Windows 7 machine, and I will just have the script there for you to double click. So that's if you want to double click and you do it manually for yourself. If you don't trust the system to do it and you know your computer may not be on. So I'm going to pause and move the USB to that, and we'll show it from there. So coming back. Okay, I'm back and I have it set up here to print again. So this is the script here. It will print the same document. You just double click on it. It will get ready. It's sending the print. And it will take a little bit and it will print again. Right? Right, so this is from Windows 8, Windows 7. I'm gonna pause. So that's the this is the double click way to do it, where you manually do it, and whenever you're ready to do it, you just send it to print from your computer. You just set this up on your your computer desktop or wherever you want to put it, and you'll get a print from your computer. I mean from your printer. So pausing again, and then I'm going to show you the quick steps to set it up. And if you're feeling lazy to do it, I could possibly set it up. I'll say that at the end of the video. So pausing again. Alright, I'm back, and this is from my desktop. I connected the USB to the printer here already. And I'm gonna show you the whole rundown on how to do it. This is a overall shorter version of the tutorial, just for you to set it up. I just wanted to guide you all from going from this link here that I shared to creating the script or editing the script to make it work for your computer. So I'm gonna run you through as fast as possible. So first, you go to the link, you click it, it will open up in the next page. You should get a page showing the files that I have shared, which is the batch file and the test print, named in a folder named weekly print. We're going to download as zip. You choose where you want to download it. So it's best you choose to download it to your desktop, and you click select folder, and then you click OK. It will download, and then when it's complete, you minimize your browser, you go to the folder here. So this is the desktop here. So you go to weekly print. Right now you have the batch file. You right click, edit. You should see I have here highlight and paste printer name here. So we're going to get the printer right now. So we're going to your search bar, type control panel. So you see I type C and it control panel came up. So you just have to press CON and it should show view devices and printers. So you click here, it will show all your printers. As I explained in the last video, we're doing the 8610. So you right click, choose properties, then you highlight the entire name of the printer with your left mouse click. You right click and choose copy. You close off all of these pages here now, well, these folders, and you highlight right here within the quotes, right click and then paste. So this is the name of the printer. The next part is to highlight and paste the test page location. Leave the backslash and test page.jpg. So we're going back to the folder, go to test page. Alright, you don't need to go to test page, go to the top of where the weekly print is, click with your left mouse and just copy this entire link. Right click, copy, go back to the batch file, highlight this entire area here until you reach here, right click, paste, and that should be your entire link or location as to where the file is. You click file and save, and you should be in a gear, right? So I'll pause and show you the task scheduling part. Alright, so now you click in your search bar again. If you don't have a search bar, just click on the start and you start typing. You type task and you should get task scheduler coming up. You move your mouse, you click it, wait till it comes up, you choose action, create basic task, wait till it loads, you type in whatever you want as it. I recommend putting Autoprint since it is A and it goes in alphabetical order. So Autoprint. Right, then you click next, then you choose weekly, then you click next, then you choose the time that you will want it to set. I'm just going to bypass, and today is Saturday, so you just choose what time you want for the week for it to print, and you choose the same day that you want it to print weekly, and you click next, then you click start a program and choose next. Then you look for the script, so you click browse, and remember it's on the desktop, so you click desktop, then you go down and look for weekly print, then you choose the script, which is the test auto print, and you click open, and it should set. Then you click next and finish, and that's it. So you click task schedule library just to see if it's there, and it's here, right? So 147 every day, no, every week on a Saturday it will print for me. So that is about it. You X off here and you're good to go. Just remember, if you don't want to do all that, you could just double click on it and it will look for your phone. Once you have it there connected, it will look for your computer and do the print. Anytime you double click on it, it will print. Print here now. This is the last one I'm going to do so. Right, so that's it. This is the last one. So from Windows 8, from Windows 7, from Windows 10, and that is about it. I know it's a long video. I'll try to do timestamps, and if it is that you're having an issue from following what I was doing, I just wanted to show you the gist of it. I could do it for you all. Just tell me where I need to have it located, and you could get any desk, and any desk is easy to set up, and I could sort it out for you all and do it. Well, at a price, but at least you'll be able to save ink as well as make sure that your cartridges are fresh every time you want to print, and you won't be wasting money when you do prints. So that's about it. Thanks for watching. Bye.